showing you a few things that I like to do anytime that I have free that I find help me tremendously to de-stress and detox my body. And they're things that you can do anywhere you are, anywhere in the world. And when you do these, when I do them actually, I feel that my body has more energy, that my skin feels more radiant, and they're so easy to do. You don't need that much time and you don't need any money at all. So let's go straight to the video, and I hope you enjoy these tips. Now, to start de-stressing yourself, it's very important to start from the inside of your home. As you can see here, I built a little garden in my lanai, which is so beautiful to look at because you see all these beautiful green plants, diversity of plants as well. And although they are beautiful to look at, they also play an important role because they help purify the air that I am breathing inside my house. So when you take care of them, when you water them and you see them grow, you also feel de-stressed doing that. At least I do. And then look at this view. This is a beautiful lake view that I have from the back of my apartment. And yes, it is so beautiful to look at, to listen to the fountain, to see the reflection of the sun on the water. And I sit down in the mornings with my cup of coffee and I de-stress just looking at this. And I understand some of you might not have this view, either because you live in a house with land in the back and not a lake, or you live in an apartment that does not have a lake view. But it's so easy and so affordable to go out and just observe places that have this type of view, or places that, if you like greenery view instead, go and observe those things and just relax and enjoy the view, and you will see how it will de-stress. Now, let's go off to the other thing that I like to do, which truly does help me a lot. So another thing that I like to do, which is so easy to do, and as I mentioned, you can do it anywhere, anytime, is just go out. Go out to nature, go out to your backyard, go out to the beach, and walk barefoot on the grass or on the sand. The reason I do this is because this is called grounding. All of us, we are full of positive ions in our body, which causes so much static and energy in us that causes stress. But the earth, or the sand, or where you're walking barefoot, is full of negative ions. So when you walk barefoot on the earth, you are balancing the energy in your body and it's causing you to de-stress. Another thing is, look at the sun. How beautiful it is and how it's touching my skin. I am receiving vitamin D, which is so important to receive because it's healthy for your skin. As long as you do it, moderately, don't be out in the sun for hours, but just a few minutes a day receiving vitamin D is so healthy for you. And also, look at this view. Isn't this relaxing? You can hear the fountain, you can feel the breeze, and that also causes you to de-stress because you feel so relaxed doing these. These are such simple things that you can do, but that honestly cause you to feel much more happy, cause you to feel more energetic. So I invite you guys to take 5-10 minutes of your day and go out to nature, walk barefoot, making sure that you're not stepping on anything you don't want to step on, but just enjoy what nature has to offer, and you're gonna feel so much better, so much more energetic. If you want, go hug a tree. Why not? Nobody's gonna judge you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun videos.